Yo! What's up? Yo. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this. I've been busy. Alright. Oh, I gotta wake up. Alright. Yo. So what we're doing today is a quick tutorial because I'm kind of burnt on 3D right now, but it's been a while since I've done this and this should be kind of fun. The goal is a quick little 11-minute tutorial. It shouldn't take too long. We get to fuck around with some cloth inside Blender, which I'm excited for. I know last time I said I'm not gonna do simulations because it takes too long, or it's too taxing on the computer, so I might not do them in the future, but turns out, well, I thought I was gonna be done with simulations and move on to something else, but turns out simulations are back into the picture and they're gonna stay in the picture for a long time in the coming future. So, but now we get to play with cloth. So we'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, this little video looked cool. It was quick, 11 minutes. Cool little Adidas logo, cloth animation. So I'm gonna start there. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. As you can see, I'm tired, but that's the background. So I'm gonna just get right into it.
Hey, Clever Polly here, and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys.
Clever
So,
Polly.
a few months ago, I did a tutorial on how to create this inflated logo effect, and I got a lot of comments about some issues you guys were having. So in this video, I'm going to show you a better way to do that, and hopefully your problems will be solved.
That looks cool, right?
And let's get started. First of all, you need an image like this, like a logo, whatever it is. You can download mine from the description, and you can see I have these lines in the middle.
Should I do?
Because I don't want the whole thing to inflate up there, so that's gonna be it. Just download the image and let's get started.
I see.
Here we go.
So you just need a logo with it. Should I make my own logo? We're already getting a little too ahead of ourselves. Let's just start with his. Image I used. Perfect. Thank you. Can I just rip this thing from? Yeah, I can. Alright. Yeah, so it's been a minute since I've been on here. I have been very busy. Oh. And just haven't had time to hop on this, so we're getting back into it. We have an exciting new project. The only problem is that project yeah, so the only problem is that project that I'm gonna be probably spending a lot of my time doing. Jesus, I'm sorry. I can't do while streaming. I mean, I can do things like this where it's like I can learn skills that'll help me work towards it and learn things about it, but that'll be it. So it's gonna be tough to continue doing this in the future, just because I foresee myself needing to do a lot of work on that project outside of the normal hours to really do a good job. So we'll see. It kind of sucks, but I think will be worth it. Cool. All right, so I got my image from the guy. Where's that stupid? There it is. All right. And again, hopefully this will be quick.
We are in Blender. Let's delete the light and the camera, and we're gonna save the default cube. Let's hit tab on this, Control plus X faces. Now hit tab and right click, set origin and geometry to origin. That's good, there we go.
I'm sure
Now
there's a
S
reason,
and
but why
5
didn't you
to
just make a
start up on
plane?
5. Now Control A, apply scale. Now we're gonna get our camera so that everything is looking good in the camera, because after simulating that we cannot really change much there. Add a camera here, and I'm gonna hit Alt R on this and bring it up here.
I'm already hating. Why didn't he just add a
So I'm gonna
plane?
hit
Why
G
does it
and
have to be a cube?
Just bring it back. That is what I want. Now hit tab, scale x-axis, and make sure it just fills the camera like that. Now we're gonna hit Control R to give it a subdivision right here.
Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I'm gonna keep an eye on if it's worth me having to make a cube. I have a feeling that I can just do this. Actually, no, there's gotta be a reason. Camera. Actually, I'm gonna play the music a little louder today. I need some fucking energy. So if you can't hear the tutorial video, sorry.
And then select everything, right click, subdivide, and just hit Shift R again and again, then again. This much should be fine. Now
How much?
click subdivide and just hit Shift R again and again.
Oh, Shift R. Interesting. Okay, what does Shift R do? Subdivide? Shift R. Cool, didn't know that.
Then again. This.
Okay, so he does a lot. Oh, is Shift R just repeat? I think it is. Alright, that's enough, he says.
Should be fine. Now we'll need our image, so let's go to geometry nodes first.
Okay, I take it back. He said something interesting. He said geometry nodes, which I've never touched.
Again and again, then again. This much should be fine. Now we'll need our image, so let's go to geometry nodes first, and you're gonna create a new geometry node system on this plane.
Dude, I've never made geometry nodes. I've never even tapped into the menu.
First, and
Geometry node editor. Cool, this will be
you're
fun.
gonna create a new geometry node system on this plane. And after that, just go to your vertex groups and create a new vertex group. This is gonna be called the pin group. And now let's get a store named attribute. So we're basically
Oh god, I have a feeling I'm getting into a whole new world that I do not understand and don't have the time to learn.
converting that image.
Store name attribute. Hey, that's the fun part.
That
though.
image data to a vertex group, and then we're going to use that group as pinpoints in the Claude simulation. So it's pretty simple. You can just get the image texture here and open it up, select the logo and open image, and we also need
Super simple, right? Am I crazy? Can't you just hover it over this thing and it... Fine, I'll do it myself. Oh wait, he didn't even...